So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. The last date of the week, not the best week. Well, at least for the people into the Telegram, yesterday we got a really nice trade. For some people was 65 pips, for other people was less, for other people was more. Um, was nice. I hold a little more that trade, expecting a really good reactions, and then I was right. Good reactions. Now we are into the near to 445. So that was great. That was great. That was great. Very, very nice. So well, let's expect some retracement. Today again we got some news. And I started later not for the news, I started later just because I was tired. Yesterday I go into the bed for the trade in Tokyo. Uh Later than the usual. So well. Let's wait. It's all about the patience. It already break the structure for the news. Yes, that candle break the structure for the candle for the news. Break it. Mhm. So well, let's see. But at least it's going to. Well, let me see. Here is the possible 45 is was the point of reactions for sellers. So of course buyers needs more if they want to continue. Mhm. 9 minutes to clarify. Let me check Nasdaq. Nasdaq touch our point of the last point of entry and give us something. Mm. So well, finally 45. That's. Mhm. Mm. We will try something in Dow Jones. Looks great. And it's still into a good point. Mhm. A better structure, but well, let's see. 45. It break the structure there. So that was great. A strong sell setup. Don't try new buy entry. If you use 70 you can hold buy. Mm. Top to today for me is 545 25. Let me find the cells on here. We got something. So we already break the sun. Okay. Arriving to the first one. Here it's our sell zone 44, 45, 11. Here. Sells in. Mm-hmm. Looks great. Mhm. It will retrace the 45. Probably yes. Probably yes. So, well, as usual, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see the best options for get any challenge to the market. The most trustable prop firms are listed there. So different prices, different levels, many prop firms. All of them continue paying today. So with no issues, if you pass the challenge, all of them will pay you with no problems. So well, just go there. Make me a favor, click into the link. The link is into the description, and the link is into the chat, guys. So take advantage of the link, and you will receive the best discounts, guys. So still waiting. Yesterday many people were angry to my server and to here, of course. We touched two stops. I tried the best option what I saw into that moment, a long position. Unfortunately, so last day of trading. So I don't know what they pretend. Like my withdrawal was massive or something like that. But the withdrawal was so little. And I the first time I show the withdrawals what I received for the account. So So November, November, October, November was good. Well, normal conditions, like some stop loss, some wins. But December was really, really difficult. Well, the withdrawal wasn't the best one, and I think last November was not that good too. You know, difficult positions and everything. Yes, I already ate my breakfast. It hit the TP. Yes, it hit the the TPs with no issues. Well, I use FXI5 with no issues. Well, this is the payment of December. Payment of December, $83. That's the that's the only kind of get in December for the account, and the others 2 months. Every knows like it's not um my best months, but it's still in profit. It's still in receiving some money, so that's okay. Like not that hard, but yes, December. That guy was asking like, okay, you received some money on December, and I said, yes. I know we work less well, days of trading, and it was $83. $83. That's all. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. At this moment, since yesterday, I was in drawdown, so probably in January, if my payout day was yesterday, I didn't receive any payouts. So well, at least some profit into the account, so that's great. Um, and well, that's the reality. When you get from their account or something, sometimes you will receive really good profit. Sometimes you will receive the little ones. Even when you are going to work with these in December. In December, we work normally we work 20 days. In December, I think we work around 12 days or something like this. So well, the things happens. Yeah, really bad month. I'm explaining. That was one of my worst months. We we uh, we trade less. We lose some trades. We win another trades. But the point is, my month ends in positive. I won $83. Yes, $83. And November wasn't good. Yes, November wasn't good too. But I won almost $800. And October wasn't good, but they won $700. So well, um, the difference is it's funded. It's not like your money. Um, well, the things could happen. Um, so yes, they get try to like I don't know, like disrespect my work, because I know when the people asking for create problems, into the server. So well, that's totally okay. That's totally okay by my side. Um, my recommendation always is not focus on my financials. Focus in your financials. I'm totally okay if I stop work today. I have at least I can live here with no issues 7 8 months with no problems. So well, that's the that's okay by my side. Of course, this year I want more. I want more and more and more. Let's see what happened. Difficult conditions. We will continue like this, and probably we will touch the 5,000. The 5,000 is coming, and it's a reality. So yes, and the point is, like in trading, you don't know, when what is going to happen and everything. So receive some profits, at least $1, guys, and it's okay. It's okay. Different situations. Of course, everyone wants to see withdrawals of 10,000, 20,000, something like this. But well, the best withdrawal that I received, I think, was in August or September. I don't know. But it was around 4,000, something like this. But again, it was I think it was in September. Let me check. No, September. Uh-huh. And well, of course, that money, I'm not going to spend that money in one day. Just save money and continue working with my prod firm with no issues. Trying to survive, trying to provide everyone here the best service what I can do. But if you don't like it, if you don't like to wait, if you don't like to lose money, if you don't like to if you don't like your positions, whatever, just don't come. That's all. Sí, está muy caro. Aquí lo que estoy esperando es que quiebre la zona en venta y poder iniciar alguna compra por ahí del 45. Eso es lo que estaría esperando. Eso es lo que son. there is no chance to getting lower time frames. Minus wait, understand? Just wait, just wait. Let's see. It's passing with the Celson with no issues. So pure patience. I'm going to start the day with the trading in US 30 Dow Jones. Okay. Okay, starting the trading Dow Jones. Mm. 49. What is the error here? 49. 49, 3. $49 to 8. Okay. TV1 49 for 30. Sorry, I don't know why the account wasn't open, the trading Nasdaq. Sorry, in Dow Jones. $49 for 60. The thing with the Nasdaq, with the Dow Jones, it have many numbers. 49. So let's see here. Probably it will break this on. Okay, well, let me clarify here the position. This is for 930. 494 600. No, ni siquiera existe ese número. ¿Cuál era? ¿Cuánto? Ajá. Este pedo está mal. Es 49. 49. 461. 49, 4, 60. Ajá. 60. 500. 49, 5. 0, 49, 500. Ajá. 5, 7, 5. Sorry, I'm still working into the down trades. Fixing the numbers. I made some mistakes with numbers in the Telegram, so I corrected. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, the price still there into that point for the sell. Let's see. To be honest, I don't want to open the sell. Prefer just stay more than the 0.5, then give us some consolidation. Then we can open the trade. But let's see what we have. With the retracement in 45, that could be a possibility. Mhm. 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 4 minutes, and still here in that zone with indecision. 2 minutes and it will break the sun. Let's see. I open and sell in 45.12. Okay, that's great. That's for solitaire. I haven't sell 45.15. That's okay. If you want to open the sell, just uh open the sell. Don't worry. That's your accounts, guys. So well, nice. The price break the sun. Well, he's still there, near to 45.11. And now today I'm not going to fight with the trend. So well, it's time to change to this. Next point of entry. It's around 03. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's why the retracement. The retracement will happen. The retracement will happen. So let's see. Mm. Well, dungeons almost TP1. That's beautiful. That's great. Almost there. That's nice. Okay, TP1 dungeons. 64. Mhm. Good with the dome. That's in the TP1. So that was great. TP1 here. 64 pips with not too much issues. Don Jones. That was great. That's great. Beautiful. So well, one of the example for the trades into the Telegram. TP1. No. Well, let's continue with gold. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is here. Plus 64 pips at this point. Not too bad. Good. Great. Looking for a long position. Looking for a long position and the price is coming. So well, the first trade in the day, TP1, 64 pips in Dow Jones. Beautiful, beautiful. The ones who be part of the community, to the Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. That's the only way to contact me. Okay, guys? Be clear of that. When in the retracement, mm, I remember the entry is not for free, it's a $169 lifetime subscription. So well, let me see. Price hit the 45.15. Yes, yes. For that reason, it's better to wait. 4 minutes to this candle ends. I prefer just go back to 45.04, something like this. Beautiful retracement. Beautiful retracement. Again, it's still into Sosan, but Sosan was 45.11. So well, that's good. And not into the trade. Just waiting. At this point, I'm waiting. Here is the gam box. Let's see. Pure patience. Dow Jones almost TP2. $45 finally. Remember, I'm not into any trade at this point. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting, guys. Waiting. Beautiful. Don't touch the TP2. Beautiful. Mm. Now we'll touch the TP3. That's beautiful. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Good reaction to the 0.5, probably. That's a good point. Okay. So let's prepare the position. Just let me finish with this trading down. TP3, US 30. Break even, please. Dow Jones give us 130 pips with no issues. Okay, perfect. So let's continue with gold. Set the beam. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Okay. So, okay, let me see. We will prepare the long position, guys. Okay. So, around the 0.5. What is the 0.5 here? Okay. Okay. Take care. Remember, the most important thing in this channel is the stop loss. If you don't want to lose, this is not your place to be, just to be clear. So, be clear of that, okay? Waiting the 45. Okay, waiting. Just some retracement, 45s. At least 45.02 again. At least. Let's see. Waiting a little consolidation there. It's moving so hard. Let's expect some retracement. 45.05. Let's expect a little more. 04. Okay. 04. Inclusive 03 could be a point. Reactions for 20 and 30 pips. Okay, retracement. 03. Testing again. Okay, finally 02. Let's see if it can touch the 01. Testing the 01. The 0.5. It's falling so hard, so well, let's try to wait a little, some seconds more for see what happened with this candle. But well, looking well. So let's see. See what we have. Okay, let me open the trade. Sin conexión. Eso. 01. Okay. There is the entry point. So let's see if we can do something or not. We can do something or not. It depends for the next candles. 45, 02, 31. I didn't share this stump here. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm. Not a good reaction there. 45, 09. OTP 45 to 19. Working as fast as I can. 4507. 09. TP3. Mm-hmm. Okay, 1209. Okay, yeah, full TP 17. Mhm. So well, it's trying to stay there up to the 0.5, so that's a great signal. But let's see, we need more. We need more press, push. Stay near to the 4504. Okay, stay there. Some reactions in a minute. Let's see. Now, the only thing what we have it's patience. The ones who don't like to trade, the ones who don't like to lose, close the position in blue numbers or near to the point of entry. The other ones who understand we're doing trading, and this is a position where we can lose. If you understand that, you can continue with me with no issues. And let's see what happened. Let's expect the best results in this point. Price trying to stay up to the point of entry near to the 0.5, so that's okay. It's totally valid. Over point of reaction is there. Main point of reaction. And the second one is near to this 4498. Of course, I don't want to see 4498. So let's see what happens in the next candles. We need to stay there. Stay there. Relax. And let's see what happens. Okay, it's going up. But we need more. We need more, of course. At least in the next two candles for ending with a candle in 5 minutes with some green body. See, like a doji. And testing again, point of entry. Hard reaction for both directions. Candles for 35 pips, 30 pips. So well, don't just give us 130 pips. It's now it touched the B. It's trying to pass the 45.05. Let's see. Just patience, guys. Mm, Okay, almost TP1. Reaction. Ah, so let's see if we can continue with that pressure or not. Hmm. We need to stay there in the next candles. But again, the reactions for sellers and buyers, for example, this reaction, this candle, last candle, this candle, when I'm seeing right now, it's for 30 pips, for example. So, difficult one. Let's see. Let's see the force for the buyers. Even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. So be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. If you're afraid, if you don't like the trade, just if you don't trust the position, just close your entry, and that's all. As simple as that. We hold the position as usual. Reactions for buyers again. Sorry for sellers. Testing again the point of entry. The last 3 minutes, important candles. Important 3 candles. We need to stay up to the point of entry. We don't need to see volume in red. Testing again the point of entry. Staying there into the point of entry. Reaction here. Now we got this. Expecting at least or foresee that reaction. The reaction to the 0.5 for the sellers is there, but not that strong, not that strong. It retesting our sun and everything, but they're unable to pass that sun. So let's see and let's expect the best things here. Last candle, it's really important to end in green. Really, really important to end the price in green. This moment, stay there. Trying to continue into the more than the 4502. This is the last seconds. Still holding. Good. At the end, it recovered some volume, green volume, so that's important. It's really, really important. But again, reactions for sellers. Let me check the 5 minutes candle. Okay. Good reaction again. But it can happens with this type of candles. We can go back again in every minute. So just be clear of that, guys. Just be clear of that. And the ones who likes always and enjoy crying if we lose, just close your position in positive, and that's all. Even in this point, we can go straight to our stop loss in one candle inclusive. So be clear of that. Be clear of that. The others who understand this is a risky investment, you can hold with me with no issues. Okay? Be clear of that. Be clear of that. Let's see. Stay there near to the 4504. Let's see. Finally, 4505. But again, we need to stay there in that point. Again, near to the TP1. But let's see what happened here. Because as the other candles, as you can see, when we touch near close to the TP1, we got the reaction, high reaction for sellers. So let's see. Unfortunately, losing the pressure again. Unfortunately. Almost TP1, and TP1 it's there. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. I will reduce the stop a little to here. The half. I will take some partial. According to your knowledge, set the break even, close the position, it's valid, reduce the stop loss, is valid, take some partial, it's valid. It depends of you guys. Share your profits at this point. If you want to hold the full position with the same stop loss, the original stop loss, it's okay. If you want to set the break even, with no partial, it's okay. If you want to set the partials, it's okay. Um, it depends. It depends of you. I just reduce a little the position. I'm okay if it goes to the 0.2. I already give the order into the Telegram to set the break even and do partials. Well, for that reason, I will count that 50 pips. Okay. Let's see. So $100 for Mohammed, $500 for Kyronks, and 40p. 40p. Ah, but yeah, the position is taken, unfortunately. Well, the trading in Nasdaq was beautiful, but the position was taken. So, but it was beautiful. Was taken for what? For the B. Mm, so well, I want to show you the Nasdaq trade. It was beautiful. The dawn trade. That was beautiful trade. Ignas for 200 pips. But well, it touched the B, so nothing to do. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Akaman, no, the Telegram is not for free. The Telegram is not for free. Telegram is lifetime subscription for $169. $169 lifetime subscriptions means it's just one payment for all your life. It's just 169 for the rest of your life, and that's all. That means lifetime subscription. Just join today your channel. Thanks, my friend. Welcome. So we'll still holding. Who is still holding? ¿Cómo sabes tanto, bro? 16 años en esto. Algo hay que. Algo hay que. Saber. Steven Fox is here. Steven, why you are here, my friend? Why you are here? Why you are here? I don't want to see you here on my channel, to be honest. I remember you for the last days. I'm still holding. So, well, let me block this guy. Perfect. I'm still holding. Would be surprised if got the stop out. Holding full TP. Janita, our beautiful member. That's great. Let's see him. Try to set the B or reduce the stop loss. At least take some partial, some percentage. My Rish, just contact me by WhatsApp, my friend. The link is there into the chat. Just click into the link and contact me. Perfect, beautiful. Yeah, this moment it's the best idea is just hold the positions in long positions as much as you can. Of course, we're going to see retracements and everything, but well, um, let's see. 0.8, it's going to be a difficult point to pass. For that reason, Top Dog is it's advising like you can close it that in that point. Perfect, my friend. Price Vermar, thanks for your trust. Exactamente, Wookie. Wookie. Siri, close my position. $10. That's great, my friend. I always hold at least TP2. Hmm. This is the last one candle. Here, it depends of you. If you want to close it, you can close it. If you want to continue, you can continue. It depends. It depends for the knowledge for everyone. Many people is closing, many people is holding, many people is set the B, many people take the partials, many people just reduce the stop loss and hold. It depends, guys. It depends for your knowledge. Again, for your how do you feel with the trade and everything. Um and well, try to be clear of that. Try to be clear of that. Everything it's all of the all depend of you. I just propose the idea. You copy me, and then we can lose or we can win some money. It depends of the the market conditions. It depends of the if we have some luck. Yesterday was a difficult day. I know. I'm trying to recover in Tokyo session. I recover for some money for the people into the Telegram. Here I'm trying to recover for the rest of the people. And of course, the Dungeon Street was beautiful. The Dungeon Street gave us 130 pips with no issues. So well, almost there. And the TP2 it's there. Well, not now. Now it's CP2, guys. What I can say. Now it's CP2. Road for TP3. Let's see. Going to take some partials now. Now I'm in break even. I'm in break even. Just in case, I'm in break even. Share your profits. At this point, I want to read who recovered some money. Nice discipline trading. Good job. Thanks, my friend Mufasa. Mufasa as the movie. 800 for Pradeep. Perfect, my friend. Beautiful. That's great. $125 for fun. That's great. 30 with Charam. $560. That's great. Was late for entry. Okay, Martina. Don't worry. Thank you, sir. I closed all that TP1. Was sharp or a lady for the chat. $300. That's great. That was nice. Well, lesson in patience. Well done. Thanks, guys. 643 euros. That's good. $100. $200. That's great. Now probably it will touch my position, but well, still there. Hard reaction, really massive correction for one candle. One candle for 70 pips. Massive reaction. It's not a promo anymore. So the prices is lifetime subscription for $169, my friend. The thing is, it's just one payment, one payment for the rest of your life. And I'm going to stay here. We are going to stay together many years. So it's okay. I think it's okay with the prices. It's totally valid. It's $169. Today, one trade in Tokyo for 65 pips. 65 pips. This rate 68 pips. Bam. Almost CP3. I'm still holding. Let's see what happened. Them Dow Jones for 130 pips. And this one for 68 pips. Yesterday was a really bad day. But well, that was great. That was great. Sometimes it happens, guys. Sometimes I'm going to lose. Sometimes I'm going to win. You need to understand we're doing trading. The charts. And well, basically the charts. Yes, the charts don't care about us. don't care about our knowledge, don't care about our accounts, don't care about nothing about us because we're nothing for for the for the market conditions. We're nothing. The only thing what we need to do is just stay there, continue and continue. If you fall, you can fall. Just continue, just continue. That's all. You need to apply that in all the aspects of your life. Um, you need to continue. You don't have another option. Yesterday, really bad day. Today is much better. That's all. So well, uh, Jonah, 810 euros. Beautiful, my friend. That's great. No mames, uno ha sido esto en México. Será un hack, bro, a la vez. Luego puedo ser. En serio, no entendí. No entendí lo que me dijiste, Wookie. Martina, thanks for. Um, I always try to continue with the normal prices, the normal prices and everything. But the deal is now it's a lifetime subscription. For that reason, the price is $169. It's okay. We lifetime subscription. The only means like we are going to stay together. We are going to stay together for the rest of your life. Well, for many years. Yes, I agree. It's very honest, right? And that's where I never see much type of honest person. Right? Yes. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I'm going to. If I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here too. So that's the only reality. For Mooks, $7,000, beautiful, my friend. Um that's great. That's great, my friend. Beautiful. Thanks, my friend Mooks. Nice to see you here. I have a lot of patience. Yes, I have a lot of patience because I used to work in customer service. So for that reason, I'm so patient. And so patient with the chat most of the time, more than the rest, I think. And it's difficult. It's difficult sometimes to stay focused, reading the comments and everything. But it's nice. It's nice when you see the all the people here. 1,000 people was seeing the taking the opportunity to take the position, make some money. Of course, my people into the Discord, the people into the Telegram. My promise to them is always do my best. I know sometimes, like yesterday, um, my best looks like not that good, right? But well, I'm follow always the same process. The same process. Is the same process works. It's an expert. If the same process didn't work, and an amateur, so it depends of the day. And it will apply for the people into the Discord too. You know, many people is like, okay, why are you doing this? Because you as a must, do you need to do it like this and everything. But well, that's the that's the thing. You know, that's the thing. Let's continue holding. The only thing pretty sure here is in trading it's impossible to win 100%. I would say good traders is like I'm winning. Well, the traders in the Instagram and that type of things. You know, I can win the 90% of my trades or something like this. Something like this. Well, probably yes, but they are using 120 pips stop loss, 150 pips stop loss, something like this. Uh, Perfect, Mohammed. That's the idea. Recover, you know, recover some money. That's the idea to continue here. To continue here, probably you not recover all your money, but recover some money. Um, Before the week ends. So now the next week you will get back and probably we will recover that $50 with no issues. How have you been trading for Salute the Fitness? 6 years. 6 years, and today I did three trades: two in gold, one in Don Jones. Oh, sorry. Mhm. So well, guys, today the chat was good. Was good. I don't see any any troll here. Just Dave and Fox. Mm. And remember, guys, again, another person report me uh, about the fake channels. As a public channel here for around 80,000 subscribers, of course, people who want to take advantage of that, they will create fake channels. So just remember, the only way to contact me it's by WhatsApp. Okay, as simple as that. Just follow the official links, what I share into the chat, or you can see the others into the ads or into the description. Okay, please be clear of that. Sorry. But yes, remember, I don't have any investment plans. The only way to contact me is through WhatsApp. If you come across any other channels or accounts claiming to be me in Telegram or by email, report them immediately as scammers. Those are not me. Thanks for your support, guys. Okay, you need to be clear of that. All these channels, those are not me. Please report them. Report them, guys. Every day I receive reports like, why I send your money and you kick me out of the channel because it wasn't me. Because all those channels, if you try to look free access, that free access don't exist. If you want to be in our community, you need to pay, and then I will share the access. But don't go in that type of free channels, okay? That's not me. That's not me. Be clear of that. Be clear of that, okay? Um, understand, guys. Mm, Hermano, 1000 personas mirando y 253 likes. Sí, pero yo no estoy aquí por los likes, mi amigo. Me da igual si me dan like o no. Está bien si lo hacen, perfecto. Pero si no, follow the link. Mm-hmm. Okay. I was expecting the we can continue with the TP3. Mm-hmm. If any retracement, yes, like 90%. I remember when I said that, like some traders win 90%, but they move the B on 20 pips on top dog. I don't know, the first month, my strategy was like set the B in TP1, and that's all. But the TP1 in those days was for 25 pips. But well, nowadays is that this basically the double. And try to make it more realistic, like to really generate money with holding, because hold position it's the only way what you can make money. Well, it depends of every traders, streamers, what they share. You know, the good thing is today, we most of the people here um make some money. That's make me happy. And something what the people ask me always, it's like, what is the minimum investment for trying to open an account? And my answer is always is the same. It's like That's depends of your economy, not depends of the um not depends of what is same, Don't guys the position is taken, be taken. So well, that's all. Okay, 68, 30. Ujú, 98, 130. Ujú. So well, today was a good day. First trade in Tokyo session. Finally, Tokyo give us something. 65 pips. Second trade, Dow Jones 130 pips. We know too much risk. And the last trade, gold for 68 pips. Recovering some money. Well, ending the New York session with one full take profit, one TP3, and one TP2 with two stop loss. And of course, the black point in the week was Tokyo sessions with three stops and just one TP2. But yeah, it happens. Cinco, 9 trades. Oh yes, the ending the first week of the ending the first week of the son 9 aquí, with 11 trades. 11 trades. One in Nasdaq for 67 pips. One in Dow Jones for 130 pips, and 9 trades in gold plus 98 pips. This is the final counter for the first week of the year, ending in positive at least in all of the trades what we did. Good ends for the session, and as you can see, the point of entry is still strong there, still really strong. Mhm. So well, guys, would be a re-entry still be valid? No, my friend. Yeah, that's all. That's all for the re-entry. Um, for the time, it's better to stay away. It's better to stay away. No, try to don't open the position. Okay. So well, guys. And well, remember the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. If you need something, just contact me by there. I will. Um, the access is not for free. It's a $169 lifetime subscription. Okay, $169 lifetime subscription. Please be clear of that. Um, and well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened the next week. What do you think? Enter alone in 4998. For today, no, my friend. For today, that's all. The price will stay there, and the market will close in some hours. So just relax and wait for the next Monday. John, thanks to you, my friend, for always being here. Bitcoin, probably Bitcoin. I will try something in Bitcoin the weekend, but it depends of the Bitcoin conditions. And well, sorry. But again, Bitcoin, it's for the people into the Telegram. And well, guys, remember, if you want to work with me as with a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see the best options, the best discounts for the most trustable prop firms into the market. So just go there. You will see the prices. They still with a promotions for the new year. So take advantage of that. Click into the link. The link is into the description. And the link is into the chat, guys. So if you want to be there, just go. Of course, read all the information before apply any challenge, and you will see what is the best option for you. Okay, so make me a favor and click the link. By my side, guys, that's a pleasure. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Um, thanks for the support. Thanks for the ones who even when you saw me lost positions and everything. Um, all of that things, count. Thanks for understand. We are doing trading, and sometimes it's going to be very difficult. Um, I'm going to lose and I'm going to win sometimes. Every trade is difficult, but thanks God, today we have a really beautiful day. What time we come in Tokyo, my friend? Tokyo session is for the people into the Telegram. Okay. Any main entry, Miss Lee Joni? No, no, my friend. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, if you want to be um, receive support, receive more signals, just go into the WhatsApp link. There you will see the prices. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. Okay. So see you soon. And thanks for the support. Predict, Top Dog, of course, Lewis, Derek, all the people who always came here. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the good comments and the good vibes. See you soon in the next session here for New York. Okay. I appreciate any subscriber. Jeff, it's a pleasure, my friend. Thank you for your time. It's a pleasure too. So see you guys. See you. Thanks for